This natural light show transforms the granite from grey to gold to fiery red, creating the otherworldly scenes that have inspired artists and adventurers for generations. Our journey through Argentina reveals a profound truth. Landscapes don't just provide backgrounds for human activity, they actively shape who we become. As our world faces unprecedented environmental challenges, Argentina offers valuable lessons. Its most successful communities, from indigenous tribes to modern eco-villages, share a common approach, working with natural systems rather than against them.